Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use personal capital to analyze your investment portfolio, a powerful tool for gaining insights into your financial health and optimizing your investments. If you're looking to make informed decisions about your portfolio, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Sign up for Personal Capital. Visit the Personal Capital website or download the app and create an account. Complete the onboarding process to securely link your financial accounts, including brokerage and retirement accounts. Sync your investment accounts. Link all relevant investment accounts to get a comprehensive view of your portfolio. Personal Capital supports a wide range of financial institutions, making it easy to connect your accounts securely. Review your portfolio dashboard. Once your accounts are synced, navigate to the investment dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your portfolio, including total value, asset allocation, and recent performance. Analyze asset allocation. Use the allocation feature to review your portfolio's diversification. Personal Capital breaks down your investments into categories like stocks, bonds, cash, and alternatives, helping you identify imbalances. Assess performance. The platform provides detailed performance metrics, including historical returns and benchmarks. Compare your portfolio's performance against indices like the S&P 500 to evaluate how well it's doing. Utilize the Fee Analyzer. Explore the Fee Analyzer tool to identify hidden fees in your investment accounts. High fees can significantly impact your returns over time, so this feature is invaluable for cost optimization. Plan for the future. Use the retirement planner to simulate different scenarios based on your goals. Adjust factors like contributions, withdrawal rates, and investment growth to see how they impact your financial future. Get personalized advice. For more in-depth guidance, consider taking advantage of Personal Capital's advisory services. They offer expert advice tailored to your financial situation. Using Personal Capital makes managing and analyzing your investment portfolio simple and insightful. Have you tried Personal Capital? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one.